Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your go-to place for all things Galaxy S25 Ultra. Today I'm sharing some amazing hidden features, customization tricks, and smart settings you might not know about. So if you want to get the most out of your device, stick around as you're going to love this one. Feature number 1, alarm customization screen on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So Samsung has redesigned the alarm setup screen on your S25 Ultra to make it more intuitive. You can now customize everything. So from alarm tones, vibration patterns, snooze intervals, to the alarm volume and the screen as well, what it shows when the alarm rings. So first go ahead and open up your clock app. To get a customized screen for your alarm on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you want to go ahead and open up an alarm. So for example, this one here. Now to customize this, you can go ahead and turn this feature on. Scroll down here, you can go ahead and customize the alarm sound. So you can go ahead and choose from all these different sounds. So you can also choose a favorite song from Spotify. Next, you can go ahead and choose your vibration. So you can go ahead and choose a silent vibration. You can choose a basic call, TikTok, and so on. Next, you can go ahead and choose the snooze. So how long you want to snooze it for. And now this is a big thing where you have the alarm background. So this basically personalizes your wake up experience so that when you look at your phone, you can basically see different backgrounds. So go ahead and tap on alarm background, and now you can go ahead and choose and customize all of these backgrounds for your alarm clock. You can go ahead and choose a dance video for your background. You can go ahead and choose all these featured backgrounds, or you can go ahead and choose a video from your background as well. Now once you're done, tap done and press save. So now when the alarm rings, you'll have that background on. Feature number 2 is where you can speak to search for settings. So in your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can use a built-in voice assistant or the Samsung settings search feature where you can now say what you're looking for. So for example, change wallpaper or turn on Bluetooth or maybe turn on the dark mode. Your S25 Ultra will take you directly to that settings page. So let me show you how to do this. So first go ahead and open up the settings menu. Now from here, tap on search, and now you can basically do a search by your voice. So let's just say I'm looking for a setting for my eyes. So I want to turn on maybe the blue filter. So I'll go ahead and tap on search. My eyes are hurting. And here I can go ahead and look at the display, and I can go ahead and turn on the eye comfort shield or the enhanced mode or the dark mode settings or the adaptive brightness. By doing a search with your voice, you can basically find any settings you want. Let's go ahead and try another one. Where can I find the edge panel setting? And here, as you can see, it's found the edge panel settings in display. So I can go ahead and tap on this, and this will take me straight to that settings. So this feature basically saves time and effort, especially if you're unfamiliar with the phone's deep settings menu. So it's perfect for quick adjustments or when your hands are busy. Feature number 3 is to have the knob style volume bar. So with the Good Lock Sound Assistance plugin, you can add a unique knob style volume control bar on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So this basically replaces the traditional slider with a circular dial that looks more cool, and it offers a smoother audio control on your Samsung phone. So let me show you how you can enable this. So to enable this, you want to first go ahead and open up the Galaxy Store. In the Galaxy Store, you're looking for an app called Good Lock. Go ahead and search for that. Go ahead and install this app. Once installed, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app itself, you're looking for a plugin called Sound Assistance. So go ahead and scroll down and find Sound Assistance. So this is the plugin you're looking for. Tap on this. Now from here, find the settings. Make your own volume panel colors. So go ahead and tap on this. Go ahead and turn this feature on. And now go ahead and scroll down, and where it says control type. So currently yours will be selected as a bar. Go ahead and choose the knob setting and then tap on home. And now when you press the volume up and the volume down, you'll see the knob control. If you go back to that sound assistant, you can go ahead and configure what kind of shape as well. So you can have a large shape or a small shape. You can control what kind of textures it has inside. You can even have some lighting effect. And once you're happy, tap home. And now when you look at your volume control, and you'll see that knob style volume bar with your Samsung S25 Ultra. So you get more granular and precise control over media, ringtones, and notification volumes, and it adds a modern, premium visual style to your device interface. Feature number 4, large app widgets on your lock screen. So Samsung now supports a larger widget directly on your lock screen. So no more of that small widgets, which you see over here. You can go ahead and add a large widget to your lock screen. So whether it's calendar, to-do list, or weather, these widgets are resized for better visibility and usability. So let me show you how you can add a widget to your lock screen. So for this, you will need to go to the Galaxy Store, search for Galaxy Store. In the Galaxy Store, you're looking for Good Lock. Go ahead and install this app. Once installed, go ahead and open the app. In the app, you're looking for a plugin called Lockstar. Go ahead and install this and then open it. This will then take you to your lock screen. Here, tap on lock screen and then tap on App Widgets. Now go ahead and find a widget. So for example, let's say AliExpress. Now if you want to add this coin widget, go ahead and tap on this and tap on Add Widget. This will then add the widget. Go ahead and tap on it. I can move it around, resize it however I like. I can even place the widget on top of the widget. And once I'm happy, I'll press done. And then when I look at my lock screen, you'll see that widget has been added to my lock screen. So this basically gives you instant access to essential info. So no need to unlock your phone. So it's perfect for busy mornings or when you're on the go. Feature number 5, trending lock faces for your lock screen. So if you're bored of this general clock face on your Samsung S25 Ultra and you want to add a trending or a brand new clock face, then let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up the Galaxy Store. Now from here, you want to go ahead and search for the Good Lock app. Go ahead and install this app. Once installed, go ahead and open it. Now in the app itself, you're looking for the following plugin called Clock Face. So this is how it looks like. Tap on this and install it. Now once installed, press home. Go ahead and long press on the home screen. Tap wallpaper and style, then tap on your lock screen, then tap on your clock. Now go ahead and tap on style and now swipe all the way to the left. Tap on this clock icon. And now you can go ahead and choose from all these available presets. So if you like these type of clocks, speedometer clock, a bicycle clock, a mustache clock, or an analog clock, you can go ahead and choose all this. You can even choose a Korean clock. So let's go ahead and choose that. Tap on it again and then tap done. And now your clock has been changed. And now when you look at your lock screen, you'll see that new clock on your Samsung S25 Ultra lock screen. So this lets you personalize your phone looks while keeping it fresh and stylish. So it's a small change that makes a big difference in how your device feels. Feature number 6, identifying apps which shows commercials. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you have a nice catch plugin, which basically logs all the background behavior of all the apps. So including vibration, pop-ups, toast messages, and ads. You can find out exactly which apps are triggering unexpected commercial content. So let me show you how to find this. So for this, you need to go ahead and open up the Galaxy Store, search for Galaxy Store. In the Galaxy Store, you want to go ahead and tap on search and you want to search for Good Lock. Install this app. Once installed, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you're looking for a plugin called Nice Catch. So this basically is a plugin which basically looks at some logs on your phone. Tap on this, turn this feature on, and now you want to go ahead and find Detect Commercials. So this will show a list of all the applications that displayed ads after unlocking your phone. So go ahead and turn this feature on. After 7 days, this list will be filled with applications that show commercials on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So this way you can take back control on your phone by identifying and managing apps that show unwanted ads, which can also save your battery and also improve performance. Feature number 7, create art with the Penup app. So your Samsung S25 Ultra has a Penup app, which is a Samsung drawing and coloring app. So it's optimized for your S Pen. So you can free draw, trace, color pre-made sketches, or participate in community challenges. So this is great for those artists who have a Samsung S25 Ultra. So let me show you how to use this S Pen and the Penup app. So on the Play Store, you want to go ahead and search for the following app called Penup. This should be already installed on your phone. If you don't, you can go ahead and install it from the Play Store. Then go ahead and open it. Go ahead and press continue, continue, press allow. Go ahead and sign in with your Samsung account. And now once you do this, you can go ahead and do all these activities. So you can do a drawing. You can even do some coloring. So say for example, start coloring. So you can go ahead and choose all the different colors. You can look at some communities where people are posting their coloring work. So this provides a creative outlet directly on your phone. It's great for stress relief, practicing art, or just for having fun. No additional app is needed here. Feature number 8, play YouTube in the background. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can use a combination of split screen mode or third-party tools where you can basically play YouTube videos. However, there is a secret where you can use the Samsung browser and you can play YouTube videos in the background while you're doing something else. So say for example, maybe you're working out, you're doing another activity, and you can basically lock your phone and the YouTube video will still be playing with the audio coming out of your phone. So let me show you how to set this up on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So for this, we'll go ahead and use the Samsung browser. Next, we'll go ahead and tap on the 3 lines at the bottom right, then tap on settings. Now we'll go ahead and scroll down and find useful features. Now from here, find background play and make sure this feature is turned on. It will be off for yourself. So go ahead and tap on turn on. Now go back, go to your YouTube video where you want to play. So for example, this one here.
Don't buy another pair of glasses until you've seen what...
Now once the video starts playing, you'll see these 2 buttons appear. An enlarge button or a pop-up button. So to run this video in background, go ahead and enlarge this. Now once that's enlarged, go ahead and swipe from the bottom here. And this will basically take you to the home screen. However, if you see, that video is still being played in the background. I'll put my volume up so you can hear the audio. And you're searching for the following, which is called spider filter. Now, the next thing is you can go ahead and lock your screen and you can go ahead and start your workout. Now here, I'll go ahead and put my volume up. On this page, this will show you all the videos that are doing the trend, which are using the spider effect. So whether I lock the screen or unlock it, the video does not get interrupted. It keeps playing the video with the audio coming out of it. So here you can basically multitask like a pro. You can listen to music, podcasts, lectures while you're doing some gardening or working out, or maybe doing your studying through your Samsung S25 Ultra. Feature number 9, turn on Do Not Disturb while screen recording. So with your Samsung S25 Ultra with the advanced screen recording, you can configure Do Not Disturb to activate automatically when you start recording. So this is great for YouTubers or anyone who wants to show a tutorial on their phone and they don't want to be disturbed by maybe a phone call or a notification. So let me show you how you can turn these settings on. So first, you're going to go ahead and open up the Galaxy Store, search for Galaxy Store. On the Galaxy Store, you want to go ahead and search for an app called Good Lock. Go ahead and download this app. Once installed, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you're looking for a plugin called Nice Shot. Tap on this, turn this feature on, and from here, you want to find Do Not Disturb during screen recording. So this will enable Do Not Disturb mode during the screen recording. Turn this feature on, go ahead and tap on Settings and allow screen capture to have permission to do that. And now once that's done, that's been set. So now when you bring down the quick panel menu and you start your screen recording, you'll see that Do Not Disturb mode will be turned on. So this ensures your recording stays clean and professional, no embarrassing notifications or interruptions during demos, tutorials, or any gameplay. And feature number 10, green screen selfie camera in your screen recording. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can overlay your selfie camera with the screen recording and even enable the green screen effect. Basically, this allows you to replace the background or position your face overlay more clearly. So let me show you how to do this. So for this, you need to go ahead and open up the Galaxy Store. In the Galaxy Store, you're searching for an app called Good Lock. This is the app you need. Install it and then open it. Now from the app itself, you need to open up a plugin called Nice Shot. Scroll down and find the plugin called Nice Shot. Tap on this, turn this feature on, and where it says screen recorder, the selfie video option, tap on this, and here you can go ahead and make your background transparent. So turn this feature on and let it auto detect the background color. So go ahead and change the color sensitivity according to your size, and then go ahead and double the selfie video size as well. So now when you turn on the screen recording, tap stop recording, and then go ahead and tap on this selfie camera here. This will now show you a selfie camera, which basically have the green screen effect. So you see yourself in that video. However, you'll see yourself as a person itself only. So as you can see my camera right here. So it has tried its best to apply the green screen effect on this selfie mode. So this is perfect for content creators and educators. So this lets you present with more style, control, and there's no need for external green screen software or post editing. So if you found even one of these tips helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to this channel. Not many people are subscribing right now, and your support truly means a lot. This channel can only grow with your help, and together we can unlock the full power of your device. Drop a comment in the comment section down below if you have any questions or any suggestions, and thanks again for watching.